Namaste. Today, this is the fifth class in computer basics. In last class, we have discussed about the how to convert decimal numbers to binary and binary to decimal, binary decimal to octal and octal to decimal. We have finished 4 conversions. There are remaining 8 conversions are there. We'll discuss now how to convert decimal number to hexadecimal numbers and hexadecimal to decimal numbers. Conversion of numbers from decimal to hexadecimal. In decimal numbers, we have 10 digits 0, 1, 2 up to 10, up to 99, and in hexadecimal numbers, we have 16 digits range from 0 to 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. In decimal numbers we have 0, 1 and so on up to 9. The base or radix in decimal number is 10, whereas base or radix in hexadecimal number is 16. Now how to convert decimal number to hexadecimal numbers? How to convert decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers? There is a number 15 in decimal numbers. What is the equivalent number in hexadecimal number? What is the equivalent number in hexadecimal number? If you observe here, in decimal numbers we have 10 digits. We have 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we have 10, 11, 12 and so on. In hexadecimal numbers we have total 16 digits, total 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this it will continue. What is the equivalent of 50? We will find for 10 it is A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. For 15 it is equivalent to F in. So 15 in decimal number is equal to F in hexadecimal number. The same way 10 in decimal number is equal to A in hexadecimal number, 11 in decimal number is equal to B in hexadecimal number, 12 in decimal number is equal to C in hexadecimal number, 13 in decimal number is equal to D in hexadecimal number, 14 is equal to E in hexadecimal numbers. So after 10 we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So in hexadecimal numbers, so 10 in decimal number is equal to A in hexadecimal number, 11 in decimal number is equal to B in hexadecimal number, 12 in decimal number is equal to C in hexadecimal number, 13 in decimal number is equal to D in hexadecimal number, 14 in decimal number is equal to E in hexadecimal numbers, 15 in decimal number is equivalent to F in hexadecimal number. Now, there is a 256, 256, only 56 in decimal number. What is the equivalent in hexadecimal? What to do? We have to divide by 16. 15 divided by 16. 16 threes 48. 16 threes 48. What is remaining? 8. Remaining is 8. Okay. 16 threes 48. Remaining is 8. Now 56 in coming, write it from bottom to top. Write it from bottom to top. That means 3 and 8. 3, 8 in hexadecimal. So 56 in decimal number is equal to 38 in hexadecimal number. Now 97 in decimal number is equal to what in hexadecimal number? 97 divided by 16. 96 96 96 and remaining is 1. So 97 in decimal number is equal to 61 in hexadecimal number. 66 are 96. So what is the remainder? 1. Now 6 is less than 16, so it is not possible to divide again. So we'll take it as 61. So 97 in decimal number is equal to 61 in hexadecimal number. Now 256 in decimal number is equal to which number in hexadecimal number? 256 divided by 16. 16 6 16 6 are 16 9. 16 6 are 16. Remainder is 9. So remainder is 0. Finally 16 6. Now again 16 once 0. Now 100 in 256 in decimal number is equal to 100 in hexadecimal number. 16 ones are 16, remainder is 9. 16 6 are 96, remainder is 0. Again we can divide 16 by it is 16. 16 ones 16, remainder is 0. 100 is the equivalent hexadecimal number for 256 in decimal number. Now we will take 4-digit number. We will take 4-digit number in decimal number. 2 3 4 6 in decimal number is equivalent to which number in hexadecimal number? 2 3 4 6 divided by 16. Now 16 once 16, remainder is 7. 16 fives 80. 16 fours 64. Remainder 16 fours are 64. Now 74 plus minus 64 is 10. 16 6 96. Remainder is 10. Remainder is 10. Okay, remainder is 10. Okay. Now 16 again 16 eights. 16 eights. 126. Remainder is 16 nines. 144. Remainder is 2. Remainder is 2. 16 nines. For 144, remainder is 9. Now 9 is less than 16, so it is not possible to divide by 16. So we will write from bottom bottom to top. Now if you observe here 10, digit 10. What is the equivalent digit in hexadecimal? A in hexadecimal. 10 is equivalent to A in hexadecimal number. So in place of 10 we will write A. 9 to A is the equivalent number in hexadecimal number. Equivalent number in hexadecimal. Like this we can convert decimal numbers to hexadecimal numbers. Now how to convert hexadecimal numbers to decimal numbers? How to convert hexadecimal number to, now how to convert hexadecimal number to decimal number. Now observe here, there is a number in hexadecimal number by 25. 25 in hexadecimal number, it should be converted to, which is equal to decimal number. So 25 can be written as 25 16 power 0 16 power 1. 16 power 0 16 power 1. What is 16 power 0? 1. 16 power 1 is now multiply. 16 2s 32. 16 5 1s 5. 37. 37 in decimal number. So 25 in hexadecimal number is equivalent to 37 in decimal number. And once again, 25 should be converted to decimal numbers. 25 is in hexadecimal number. What is the equivalent number in decimal number? 25. Okay, 25 can be in hexadecimal number. Okay. Now 60. How to convert? Please multiply. This is multiplication. 16 power 0, 16 power 1. Okay. Now 16 power 1 is the 60, 60 power 0 is equal to 1. Multiply with both digits. Now 5 and 32 plus 5, that is 37 of decimal number. Now we will take 3-digit number. We will take 3-digit number. 256 in hexadecimal number should be converted to decimal number. 256 divided by 16. Sorry, 256 can be written as like this, and 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Okay. Now 16 power 2 is 32, 16 power 1 is 160, 16 power 0 is 1. Now multiply these digits. That means it is 64 plus 80 plus 6. 64 plus 80, 16 5s are 80 and 6 1s are 6. So 144, 70 plus 80, 150 in hexadecimal number. So this is the way how to convert the hexadecimal to decimal. Now we'll see how to convert how to convert. So far I have seen how to convert the numbers from decimal to binary, and binary to decimal, decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Next, decimal to octal octal to decimal. Now decimal to hexadecimal